name is Summer, and I am so freaking stoked on this project that I'm sharing with you today. It's one that I'm super proud of, and it's something kind of different than I normally do. I have some new design clients in Hermosa Beach, and they have such a cool, funky, artistic style, and I really wanted to reflect that in their space. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a modern, artistic bedroom design, and I think that you're going to love it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and please, I beg you to help out your girl and subscribe to my channel below to see more awesome videos just like this one. Plus, it really helps me out, and I would really appreciate your help. So check out what I do. When I first checked out this guest bedroom, I knew immediately it had great potential. It was super bright, really airy. It was actually a really good sized bedroom. They also wanted to keep some of the existing furniture in the space, which I really loved the existing furniture, but we needed to change a few elements and just add to the space, add a little bit of personality to really create that modern artistic bedroom design. When the client took me to look at the space, as we were walking in the hallway, they had these really cool art pieces that were just leaning against the wall. They weren't being used, and I felt really inspired by this artwork. It's probably the graphic designer in me that really was drawn to these words and the shapes of the countries that they had visited, and I thought that it was such a cool opportunity to utilize that in the space. I have been eyeballing this wallpaper mural art by Hovia for so long now and waiting for the perfect client in the perfect space to use it in. When I saw that existing artwork with the kind of graphic design typography of the countries, I knew this was the perfect place to use this wallpaper as an accent wall. I even asked some of my followers on Instagram. Some of them thought I was a little crazy, but you'll see, it all comes together. I've been telling you guys about this app Milanote that I've been using now for quite a while, but it's really been a game changer in helping me get my mood boards and suggested shopping items. People can see my mock-ups, my sketches. They can see the items that I'm suggesting and purchase right from the site. It's actually so cool. You should try it out. I got my handy guy John here hanging up this amazing mural wallpaper. This one was a little bit challenging because it was printed mural, so John had to cut it in pieces and piece it together, and he did an awesome job. He's the go-to guy for wallpaper hanging in the South Bay. No project of mine would be complete without doing a little bit of DIYs. The clients sent me these really cool photos that they took while they were traveling in London and in Paris. I took them into Photoshop and transformed them black and white, had them printed out at Staples, and just put them in frames that I found at Home Goods. They turned out so good. So one trick that I'm going to be doing today that makes it really easy or easier to help when hanging up your photos. I have this really beautiful wallpaper that we've just spent some dinero on getting it all wallpapered, and I certainly don't want to make any mistakes on there. So what I'm going to do is I've got this craft paper that I got from Hobby Lobby for $5. And I am going to trace out all of the artwork, just the size of the frame. And then I'll use, once I trace it out, I'll put the back side on it here and make a little mark where the hanger is gonna go. And that way I can tape the pieces of paper on the wall just using painter's tape and kind of move it around before I actually make any holes in the wall, because I certainly don't want to damage this wall. So this is just a fun little tip or trick in how you can do this in your own space. Another little trick that I like to do is kind of use painter's tape and measure out and tape out my furniture items on in the space. That way I kind of get a good feel of how all over this space is going to work together. So this is our mirror that we got for our space. It's a little weird, it has just, because it's an asymmetrical, I think that these are just for if we want to hang different orientations. So I kind of made a little template with the tape up here, and I put it on the wall, and I'm gonna go for it. So I'm gonna go for it. It only came with one screw and one, what are these called? These are called, what are these called? Why can't I think right now? anchors, drywall anchors. So only came with one each. I've got my handy drill here and I'm gonna go for it and hopefully I don't mess it up because this wallpaper is too good. Eek. Wish me luck. So by chance, I got into a stud. So that is very good news for me because that means it's gonna hang much better and sturdier, especially if there's an earthquake. Yes, girl, yes. Yes. I did it! Lost the one anchor, the one that it came with. I don't think I need it, but fuck my life.
I'm rolling.
One day soon.
Why are your arms up?
That's what you did. Does it work? I'm gonna just be zhuzhing things up in here. So, it looks so awesome.